Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com and doing a recap for Monday the 2nd of July. Welcome to July everyone. And today the markets were very interesting. They basically opened up where they left off. The markets moved up a little and then shot down with the news at 10 o'clock of a worse than expected ISM manufacturing PMI by approximately 2.5 points, and then ISM manufacturing prices by a little over 7 points. So big surprise to the downside. The markets just tanked, and then they did find a bottom and bought up and basically chopped sideways for the remainder of the session. Today we took 4 trades. All of them were successful. The maximum profit potential that we were working inside of was 14 3/4 points or 59 ticks. Actual entries and exits, we made 16.5 points or 66 ticks. And what we did, basically right off the open, we did take a short, but we took partial profits. That way we moved up our stop on the remainder, and we came up and got stopped out plus quarter on that. The markets did come up a little bit, and then it started to roll back over. We grabbed a short and we rode that down for partial. We had our stop at break even before the news came out. The news came out and just tanked the market. So thankfully we were in a short, so we rode that down. We took profits at down here. The markets well, actually over here we took profits. The markets basically moved sideways and began moving up. We did grab a long over this area and rode that up a little bit, taking profit on this bar. And the markets did come higher. We grabbed a short over here and rode that down a little bit. Final profits here, and then we watched the markets come up. When we watched it down here, and it was just choppy, so we kind of just called it a day. Continued to watch the markets. If anything interesting did play out, nothing really did. It just moved sideways, and it is what it is. But we did end the day with 16.5 points, which is very good. If you round down to 10 points at $50 a point, you're looking at $500 on the day. So we ended up with very good profit, which is the goal with trading. With that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the S&P 500 futures market. It's my favorite market to trade. It's always been a lot of fun, and it's always interesting. With each new day, it's going to be a little different. There's no this day is exactly like this day. They're always one day to the other is going to be different, which makes it fun, and it's always a learning process. You can learn. If you've been trading for 10 years, 20 years, you're always going to learn something new. And a lot of times when you quit learning something new, that's when you start struggling again. And anyway, with that, let's check out the news for tomorrow. Okay guys, tomorrow we're looking at 10 o'clock, the factory orders, looking for 0.1%. Prior reading was -0.6%. We do have total vehicle sales coming out anytime during the day. Usually they're not a big market mover unless you're trading a vehicle manufacturing stock or something like that, which we trade the ES, so it is what it is. But anyway, we're looking for 14 million versus 13.8 million, so that's what we're looking for tomorrow. And we have a lot of news coming up at the end of the week, so we'll have to get ready for that. But it should be a ton of fun. Should be a lot of fun. With that, hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you do, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Appreciate that in a big way, everyone. Keep the emails coming. Upper right hand side of the website, contact form. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the questions, comments, feedback, all of that good stuff. Thanks everyone. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow in the markets. Thanks.